So good morning folks, and welcome to another video. This morning we're at the Woodlands hide in Ballyfin, Irish Photography Hides. I'm here with my sidekick Dave.
Hello, how are we?
So we're here for the last two and a half hours, and so far all that's come in is jays. Loads of scrawny juveniles, really nothing really exciting. It's early morning yet, so we're optimistic and hopeful. We have a long day yet ahead of us. Today we're actually doing two hides, so we're going to move on from here at about 3 o'clock and go and doing the Kestrel hide. I'm really looking forward to it. I love taking photos of birds of prey, so hopefully we get something good. Anything, Dave?
Yeah, definitely looking forward to that. So hopefully, we've another couple of hours and we'll get something decent.
Yeah, so it's quiet here, but that's wildlife. You take it as you get it. Good days and bad days. Hopefully it'll pick up a bit soon. We're in no rush anyway. We're not going to leave here till 3 o'clock today, so that's it really. We've just had a little bit of a moment there. The foxes came in for maybe 5 to 10 minutes and just ran around the whole place, done a little exhibition for us. Absolutely fantastic. Got a little bit of video footage, got a few photos, which is what you come to these places for. So absolutely fantastic. Again, we'll post them if there's anything good. Hopefully there is. So we've just spent the last 5 minutes with the pine marten here and two kits. The two kits came over on the stone wall and climbed up on the wall, and the mother came across the trees and into the big tree in front of us here. Absolutely super. I was here before I got the pine marten. It was a real foggy day. Anything, Dave?
Brilliant, brilliant. It's my first time seeing the pine marten, and we also got a close up of the pheasant as well, so yeah. Brilliant, very enjoyable.
Yeah, good day so far now. We have another 2 hours left. We're leaving here at 3 o'clock and we're going to the Kestrel hide. So So we're just finishing up. We're meeting Richard at 3:30. We're going to a Kestrel hide, so part one of our day is over. It was absolutely really good. I don't know whether you can see the pine marten comes in here, jumps across, goes into all different sections of the tree, comes out, absolutely fantastic. He had 2 kits coming over by the stone wall. The woodpecker came in less than a minute, that's all the woodpecker was there. And a mound of jays, definitely a half dozen to a dozen jays around the place. The male and female pheasant came in, an abundance of small birds, siskins, chatfinches, blah 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 blah, sparrows, etc. And so he's got a fantastic reflection pond. I suppose it's definitely the bones of 20 foot, and your windows are just in front of it here, which is absolutely brilliant. I won't say I was disappointed. It was actually a really good day, fantastic day. I would have loved to get the sparrowhawk. The sparrowhawk didn't come in, but I was here before and got the male and female sparrowhawk. I'll actually just show you here now. I'll post them anyway. Really enjoyed today, absolutely fantastic. The weather was changeable, which kind of suited us. For me, the highlight of the day was the pine marten. When I came the last time, he came in really early in the morning and there was a fog there, so my images weren't really good, so I'm hoping today that they're good. But I seen enough of him to get good images, so I'm pretty sure I will have. You can hear the jays there. There's an abundance of them there. You have anything to say, Dave?
No, just a super day, and I'd recommend for anyone to come up here and have a try. Like, you'd really enjoy the day and get plenty of good, decent pictures. Some lovely wildlife around.
Richard has actually done a lot of work since while I was last here. I was here last November, I think it was, and he's put a drive right down to the gate and everything. Like the last time I was here, I was wearing wellies and plunging up through the place. Like, there's no need of it now. You can drive right up to the hide, which is absolutely brilliant. We're going to head off down to the Kestrel hide and see what we get. If we do, obviously they'll be on the video. So we'll see you again. Bye.